Negative po yung naging result. But then again, that is beside the point po kasi yung trabaho naman ng naikasa is a bypass operation. And we all saw the video kung ano nangyari, and I think that could speak for itself po. Regardless kung ano man yung result ng lab exam.
Ano yung laman nun? Yung negative results? Yung mga breaks, ano yung laman?
Napag-usapan na po natin, mga nabalot na what would look like noodles. Opo. Meron din break na ang laman pebble.
Pebbles?
Opo, pebbles. So the intention was talagang onsihin yung kanilang katransaction and not to deal in drugs. Talagang ganun po yung intention nila. Nabanggit na po natin nung nakaraang press con last Thursday that they would undergo procedure. IAS would be conducting motu proprio investigation because nagamit po nila yung firearm nila. And of course, yung negative result, I think that is beside the point dahil may TIP naman po yung trabaho. High value individual din yung dalawa. May pre-ops tayo with PIDEA, and they have been subjecting the group or that particular group through surveillance since August of the current year. Hanggang nangyari po yung encounter.
Sir, may nakuha kayong record na kung ganito ba talaga magtrabaho tong grupo na ito, na parang hold upin na lang nila yung bibigay sa kanila yung pera, bibigay nila yung what it looked like shabu, pero hindi naman talaga shabu. Ganito ba talaga sila magtrabaho?
As to that mode, we cannot tell explicitly kung dati na nilang ginagawa. Pero yun yung mode na pinakita nila. And nakita nyo rin po sa video, meron at large na subject for follow-up operation. Maybe we could find out more pag nahuli po natin tong at large na nakatakbo during the actual operation.